I'm here with my two new dive buddies. We got Kelly, we got Torin. So we did one dive off of Lauderdale-by-the-Sea, a beach dive, shore diving capital of the U.S. Tell me, what did you guys think about it?
It was good.
Yeah,
nice,
it was great. The
easy dive.
was great.
Yeah, easy dive, great. Yeah.
Little bit of current on the way back, but it was fine, you know.
We had
too much.
We had what was it? A flying squirrel?
Flying squirrel, just.
Oh wait, just so everybody knows, Miss Kelly here, she got certified in April, so she is getting all that diving in now. So I told her, it's like, I feel sorry for her because now she's got a new addiction.
It is a horrible,
Yeah.
costly addiction.
Yep, still great though.
Yeah.
Part of the weird crew.
Yeah, well, two new dive buddies, so that means a lot of diving coming up.